Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be installing these hood louvers on my car. We'll be measuring them out, make sure I like the spacing and placing, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut out the holes inside the hood to make these fully functional. And hopefully they'll look pretty cool when we're all done. Alright, so this is how it ended up coming out. I think it looks pretty good. It's aluminum, so it flexes towards the shape of the hood. Ended up messing up right here, cutting through there. When I was cutting some of the support structure in here, I had to use the grinder. Not the prettiest cuts, because it's kind of hard to get a precise cut with the grinder, but it works. Functional now. Heat can come out of here. Looks pretty cool. After I did all the cuts, I used a little bit of spray paint, which matches the color of my car pretty good, but just so it doesn't rust. This is where I cut through when I was cutting this. Might do that on the other side again if I'm not careful, but I'm not too worried about it. I mean, it's not an expensive car. I'm probably just gonna end up putting JB Weld on there and sanding it smooth on the outside before I wrap it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And right here, to cut the hole, I used a hole saw in the corners, just so it's a nicer, nice radius cut. So I think it's yeah, 1 3/8 hole saw, and pretty much a cutting wheel. And then I used a grinding wheel to try to get rid of all the sharp edges. But yeah, came out pretty good. I'm gonna be doing the other side and see how that comes out. Alright guys, so this is how the hood vents came out. I think they came out pretty cool. Came out symmetrical. You just gotta take your time and measure it. Let's see, this is how it looks from underneath. And I gotta say, it's probably the most difficult part, is cutting out all this internal structure. And you just gotta be careful where it does get close to the hood, because right here I did poke through. I'm just gonna end up welding it, fixing it with some JB Weld and calling it a day. But you know, overall I like how it looks. Fun, quick, easy project. So anyways, thanks for watching guys.